Welcome to Liangjiang channel. Titanium dioxide, also known as TiO, is a common and versatile material. It has unique physical and chemical properties that make it extremely useful in various industries, especially in environmental protection. One of the great applications of titanium dioxide is in self-cleaning coatings. When used in paints and coatings, titanium dioxide acts as a photocatalyst. Under the action of light, it can decompose organic pollutants on the surface. So, your buildings can stay clean and beautiful with less effort. In air purification devices, it helps to improve the air quality around us. As air passes through the device with titanium dioxide-based filters, harmful organic pollutants such as volatile organic compounds (VOCs) are broken down into harmless substances like water and carbon dioxide. Titanium dioxide can also be used in sewage treatment. By adding titanium dioxide to the sewage and exposing it to light, it can effectively decompose organic pollutants in the water. This is a promising and environmentally friendly way to treat wastewater. Thanks for watching.